Alright, so if you want to take a ticket, there's a ticket machine, and there will be a welcome screen, maybe some different picture here. Just touch the screen. You'll find where English on the bottom and where you want to go. So from Rumlong to Zurich, in case you don't find anything here, you go for alternate connection. In my case, it is Zurich that I want to go, so I'll just click. So if you want immediate departure, you can go for immediate departure. Direct or all zones, I'll just say via direct. So single ticket, second class, several tickets, so 2 adults, and then you go next, and then you pay for it. Okay, that is how. If it is this screen, then you go to this, then go to English, search where you want to go. So RUM long, and then you found which one you want. You just click here, then you select second class or first class, up or come back, return. In my case, it's a family thing. So here we can also go for class upgrade or multiple journey ticket, and then multiple other stuffs are there. So here we go for add, and then here we can go for say 2 adults and then 1 child. Okay, dog or a bike, you just confirm. Then you get your single ticket, and then you can go for buy ticket, and then just pay the money, and you have a card swiping machine, or you can insert the coins, or you can insert the cash, or you can insert the prepaid cards. Alright, so I stop it here. So that is it.